And the 2025 Outlaw Slam is on tonight.
He battled with everybody he raced with.
Maybe you can get a video of this outlaw guy putting the screws to us already. Why do you have so many biases against us local cars?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Why do I?
You outlaw guys.
Who? Us outlaw guys?
No, just you.
Oh, just me? I don't have nothing against you, but listen, we need you local guys. It all depends on who you ask.
We were busy in the trailer making asses of ourselves. So.
Were you?
Yeah.
So you decided to get me involved in it?
You seem to be right for the pick.
Guy, listen, I'm the guy, you know that.
Starting my afternoon off well here at Lincoln Speedway. The 2025 Outlaw Slam through Central PA is on tonight. Delayed one night, unfortunately, because of weather, but looking forward to great weather here on Wednesday night. I have a good early build draw, so hopefully I'm able to take advantage of that and have a good night here and a good weekend at Williamsburg. So this is pretty much where my zone is with all my stuff. Got some suits and some other associated driving products. Have my stuff ready for tonight. It's pretty sunny yet, so I prefer a dark shield, which most guys don't do, but I seem to like it. So I do that and have a second helmet kind of here ready to go. So that's kind of a quick tour of the zone, but I have all my driving stuff in this room here, and kind of stays out of the way of the general population area and have my own little zone, so it works good. I thought the 3 laps I got here, I thought I was better
in the right spot.
But
Well, Baylog kind of just run right through the middle. But like it's not, we don't have the same thing like the last time we were where it keeps track. Now like you're
that's on. Card for both of you? Okay, guys. Have fun. Hello, how are you? Sure, buddy. Alrighty, there you go.
Hey, give him hell this season. Good
I'm
luck.
gonna try. All right, thank you.
Love the videos on Insta and Facebook.
Oh, thanks.
Great
Yeah, we're
videos.
working on it. We're trying hard. Like and subscribe.
Yes, sir.
Take
care.
There you go. All right, okay, guys.
I see you have some good runs now.
It's up and down. It's up and down. It's yeah, but just gotta clean a few things up. But I'm close. In some ways, I'm closer. So.
So neat when we're seeing the fathers. Now we're seeing the sons ring.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Don.
Both of you. I knew Randy would have hit all the way.
All righty.
Look at mommy. Breakfast.
I heard we got free beer here.
I don't know. Cannot do much with the beer for the kiddo events. If we have an adult one of these, maybe someday in the future.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Too many fucking drunks around here.
Here's how we're going to run tonight's format. Shortly after the meeting here, voters start with the sprint cars. We have 26 particularly groups in my line of that, 17 short, 50 in my line of that. Super late on the week will be first, last qualified, top three finishers, nine qualifiers, first point match, start time, work out, start up front. Sprint cars.
Okay. All right.
We're gonna have to.
Well, don't be bending it. I'm the one trying to bend it.
You're gonna just gotta straighten it, not bend it. You know what I mean?
A little bit of
Just get a little bit of elbow grease. Yep. Now go. Like if you hold it here,
okay.
hold it here and here, and just give it a little.
Didn't that just bent it worse? How'd you see? He has like that.
It's right here in my arm. You see that? I just go. Shoot. Zach's got to put his back into it to even get it to move, and I just go. Yeah.
That was about
Now,
right.
maybe if anything, maybe give a little bit on the top, because
Yeah.
what you're doing there is you might be twisting the bottom more.
Right.
And then just give it a good old eyesight.
Look at that. Crank that bad boy out of the place, sir.
That'll work.
Woo! That thing was bent.
Well, I don't know how the fuck it got bent. I noticed that Saturday when I was dismounting tires the end of the night.
I gotta go again. I forgot my helmet.
First car at 14 and 3 Got it. 16 started coming out with 5 years down. Yeah, any on that 18 instructor. Who did that? Back up. Why back up? 14, 7, 1, 4.
He was driving his ass off. It wasn't working. He had no. It doesn't look like there was any traction. Yeah, he was going on the start. He had all good starts. Yeah, he's trying. It just doesn't go through the corners like those guys do. He's got to wait on it. Something don't feel right to him. But he battled with everybody he raced with. They were better working cars. A little more. I'm old. Thanks.
Who put that goddamn tire there?